If you've been trying to figure out how to contact Fotor quickly and get the right kind of help, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to reach Fotor through their official website, support email options, social channels, and even the AI chatbot inside the photo editor. This is useful whether you have an account issue, a billing question, a technical problem, or you just need help using the app. And if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the fastest and most direct method, which is contacting Fotor through their official support page. Open your browser and go to fotor.com/contact us. On this page, you'll find the main contact options Fotor provides for users. At the top of the page, look for the Submit a Request link. This is the option you want if you need to open a direct support ticket. When you click it, you'll be able to send your issue to the Fotor support team and explain exactly what you need help with. If your issue is related to your account, a billing problem, or a general technical question, you can also use Fotor's support email. The main support email is support@fotor.com. This is a good option if you want to provide screenshots, explain the issue in detail, or keep a written record of your communication. When sending your message, make sure you clearly include your account details, the device or browser you're using, and a short description of the problem so the support team can respond faster. Fotor also lists specialized email addresses for different types of inquiries. If you're reaching out about affiliates or partnerships, you can use partnersfotor.com or Koran@fotor.com. If your message is related to advertising, the correct email is advertising@fotor.com. And for legal or privacy-related matters, you should use legal@fotor.com. Using the right email address is important because it helps make sure your message goes to the correct team instead of getting delayed. Another way to contact Fotor is through their social and community channels. Fotor is active on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Discord. These channels can be helpful if you want to ask questions, stay updated on product news, or connect with the community. In some cases, social media can also help you get attention faster if your issue is general and not highly sensitive. Just remember that for account, billing, or private information, the official support page or email is usually the better choice. Now let's go over the second method, which is really useful if you are already inside the Fotor photo editor and need help right away. Open the photo editor, then look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Fotor Support. Click that and an AI chatbot window will appear. This chatbot can help you with troubleshooting questions, give you step-by-step instructions, and in some cases, help route your issue to the customer support team. This is especially helpful if you're stuck in the middle of editing and don't want to leave the app to search for answers. You can type your question directly into the chatbot and get instant guidance. So if something isn't working or you need help finding a feature, this can save you a lot of time. To make things easier, here's the simple way to remember it. If you want formal support, use the Contact Us page and submit a request. If you need to email Fotor, use support@fotor.com for general help, and the specialized emails for business, advertising, or legal topics. If you want quick help while editing, use the Fotor support chatbot inside the editor. Before you go, if this tutorial helped you learn how to contact Fotor, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That really helps support the videos and lets you find more step-by-step software guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.